day we had a steel tub and tile tear out. There was reported rotted subfloor down below, so we had to replace the subfloor. We ripped up the subfloor and needed to build up the floor about 1 3/4 inches to be in line with the tile. The tile is reported to be done by the homeowner after the completion, so we laid some subfloor out in front of the pan so that they can do that tile when they're ready. We leveled the base, installed the tub, got the drain built up, inspection was great. And then we laid up our walls. We got our drywall up top, and we got plywood from 48 inches up. That way any grab bar placements in the future are able to be placed. And then we had a 3 smooth wall system. This is the white system with the white silicone. We had a little bit of plaster damage that was taking place on the corner because of the tile tear out. So we ended up wrapping this corner with a nice bull nose over here to give them a finished look so that they don't have to worry about that or worry about a drywall service down the road. We had a standard head and a curved rod install with 2 shelves, and then they went with the chrome fixtures.